Federation launched a women football campaign event that took center stage in Lodwar, Turkana County, with the main aim being to promote and develop female players, supporting member associations through initiatives such as organization of grassroots and small league football events.
For a long time, people never knew the football can be played in Turkana. There's never been football in Turkana known, even though they were playing football. And it was only women football. Turkana is one of the areas that is affected by cultural beliefs yetu that women cannot play football and should not play football.
Watoto wetu wa Turkana watafaidika kimpira, wale watakuwa na talanta wataonekana na wanaweza songa mbele. Pia inaweza kuimprove their social life.
Tumekuwa na changamoto mingi ambayo tunapitia. Moja ni mambo na utamaduni ambayo inakataza mtoto msichana kucheza mpira. Jambo la pili ni maneno na hatuna vifaa, hatuna stadiums, hatuna any support from anywhere.
The KFF to make sure that this football is widely spread to 14 counties, such that teachers can play, lady teachers of course can play. These tournaments can be conducted in all the 14 counties so that peace can be restored.
The 37th edition of the KIB Interbank Sports kicked off at KSMS